Former First Lady Grace Mugabe marked her 60th birthday on Saturday with a private but lavish celebration held in Harare, attended by high-profile figures. Sarambira mashoko anobuda panguva ino chinokonzi Grace Mugabe throws lavish 60th birthday bash. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnoziri muda nyokamchizi. The event brought together an unlikely mix of allies, including Second Lady Minotabo Mini Baloi, wife of Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, the late Prime Minister Mugabe Ntshangira's widow Elizabeth Macheka, ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Muchangwa, as well as Grace's brother and former ZANU-PF National Political Commissar Mike Bima and his wife Titi. Known for her extravagant lifestyle and controversial political ambitions, Dr. Grace Mugabe earned the moniker Gucci Grace for her penchant for designer shopping sprees and opulent living during her husband Robert Mugabe's final years in power. Her rise from presidential secretary to first lady and eventually to a key political player in the ruling party ZANU-PF was meteoric and polarizing. As the face of the Generation 40 G40 faction within ZANU-PF, Grace was widely seen as positioning herself to succeed her aging husband. Her public clash with the then Vice President mnangagwa and the growing influence over state affairs contributed to heightened tensions within the ruling party. In November 2017, a military coup that ousted her husband, President Mugabe, ended her presidential ambitions. Saturday's birthday celebration, while private, has reignited speculation about her intentions, with the attendance of figures linked to both the ZANU-PF's current leadership and past opposition. Observers say Grace may be testing the waters for a political or social comeback. Though she has not made any formal public statements, Grace Mugabe's re-emergence in such a symbolic and politically diverse setting suggested that the former First Lady is not yet ready to fade into obscurity. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutu kudipa msoro pichitko ichi. Ako hapina kuma section medu za mafungiro enyu mutu kudipa msoro pe now i. So subscribe or like, chito the bell icon.